आस किए खाइब हो आस किए खाइब हो आम राजा बाबूर खाना आस किए खाइब हो आम राजा बाबूर खाना अंडा काकरा चकुली आरिसा बनैछि ए नना आस किए
Namaste, you are watching a new recipe on my YouTube channel, My Cravings with Krishna. Today I am going to prepare a very simple recipe, that is moringa leaf fry or just sajana sago. I will be using a secret ingredient to add more flavor. So keep on watching. I hope you will like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start with the recipe. So these are the ingredients we need to prepare sajana saga bhaja or moringa leaf fry. I have taken moringa leaves and separated it from the branches. Be careful while doing this process. Pumpkin, some garlic cloves, green chili, mustard seeds and red dried chili, mustard oil, the secret ingredient, and salt. Let's start. Heat up a pan and add mustard oil. Cooking in mustard oil add flavor. Mostly traditional foods are cooked in mustard oil. Once the oil is heated, now break the dried chili and add to the oil. Now add mustard seeds. Be careful, the seeds may pop up. Now add green chili and cover the lid because it may split up on you. Be careful. Now we will add the garlic cloves. I have crushed the garlic and used it. Will enhance the flavor. Now add the pumpkins. I have cut it into small pieces so it will be easy to cook. Cover the lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. You can see the pumpkins have become soft and soggy. At this stage, add the moringa leaves. Remember, once you add the moringa leaves, do not cover the lid and cook. Otherwise, the green color will turn black and it's not also good for health. So once you add the moringa leaves, cook in low flame and keep on stirring the fry. Now add salt and give it a good mix. Cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes so that everything mixes well. Finally, we are going to add the secret ingredient, that is milk. Using milk to this fry will make everything super delicious. Like if these leaves have turned old or it's not fresh, then this milk will just make it perfect. Add half cup of milk. You know, moringa leaves has a lot of health benefit, like its help in reducing cholesterol and blood pressure. In my childhood, I just remember my grandmother used to cook this and she used to feed us by telling that eat this so that you will be having good hairs and your eye power will increase. If you are eating this, you'll never have to wear glasses. Yeah, somehow it is true also. Eating green leafy vegetables actually does a wonder to your health. So stir fry it for 2 to 3 minutes more. Once everything is dried up, your fry is ready to serve. You can enjoy with rice or chapati. Try to serve it when it is hot. It will be more tastier. Enjoy your dish. Don't forget to share your experience with me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching my recipe. Hope you like my video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.